This was the scene last Friday outside Goroka Hospital. Staff and members of National Doctors Association based in Goroka conducted a sit-in protest against the hospital board. Issues include lack of medical equipment and supplies that has resulted in the deteriorating state of the hospital. Staff say they are willing to work, but lack of necessary equipment has forced them to instigate the protest. Doctors and nurses have raised concerns with the hospital board and provincial health authority since May this year, but nothing was done. With the protest into its seventh day, Health Minister Michael Malabag flew into Goroka this morning and met with concerned parties all day to address the issue. It's anticipated normalcy will prevail at the hospital soon, as functions at the hospital have been scaled down to emergency cases only. Meanwhile, Minister Malabag returned from Goroka this afternoon. Upon his arrival at the government flying unit in Port Moresby, he said the issue has been resolved and normal operations will start tomorrow. He has appointed Dr. Francis Wandi as acting hospital manager. He will run the hospital until November, when proper board members are elected.
The issue is more administrative in nature. Internal management issues as to the conditions of the hospital, in terms of using the theatre, the normal way, the accident emergency, and all other aspects of how a general hospital operates. So that was the biggest issues, apart from the status of the provincial health authority. Now there have also been a lot of staff on acting positions, and some rotating on the same position for quite some time now. And as a result, frustration grows up. And I think most of it will be also associated with the lack of decisive action by the board of the provincial authority, and that was very clearly spelled out today. So, when things like that are not addressed in its initial stages, it'll pick up momentum until such time when, it has come to the stage when even me as health minister, I had to fly across and address the situation myself. So, look, there will be major renovation and development projects. The governor has also made some undertakings from their end, including the members of parliament for the Eastern Highlands.
Bridget Komatep, National MTV News.